Does your vagina make a fat sound each time you're having a sexual intercourse? If you are in that table, please, this video is definitely for you. The sound which comes out from your vagina during sexual intercourse is known as whiffing, popularly known as vagina fart. And it happens when air gets trapped inside the vagina and later escapes, making a sound similar to a fart. But it is not from the anus. It doesn't smell. It is completely harmless and normal, though it can feel embarrassing or surprising. There are definitely causes of this vaginal fat, which includes 1. During or after sexual intercourse. This is the most common cause. Movements during penetration can cause air into the vagina and escapes afterward, causing the vaginal fat. 2 is doing certain exercises or movements. Activities like yoga, squat, or stretching can trap air in the vagina. 3. Doing vaginal examination or tampon use. When something is inserted and removed, small pockets of air may be released. 4 is after childbirth. The vaginal muscles may be looser, allowing air to get trapped into the vagina more easily. Then 5 is weak pelvic muscles. Weak muscles which makes it harder to control the vagina opening, leading to more whiffing. Is vaginal fat dangerous? No. Vaginal farting is not dangerous and doesn't mean you are sick. It's simply trapped air escaping naturally. However, see a doctor if you notice pain or burning with the sound, unusual discharge, bad odor, vaginal bulging. Those could mean an infection or pelvic floor issue, not within itself again. Now let's talk about how to manage or reduce it. That's if you're feeling embarrassed about it. Do Kegel exercise, which strengthens the pelvic floor muscle and helps the vagina hold its tone and reduces trapped air. Example is squeeze your vaginal muscles like you are stopping urine midstream for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Then be mindful during sex. Try slower, steady movements. Avoid pulling out completely and re-entering forcefully. That pushes air inside the vagina. Also try different positions. Some sexual positions like legs up or doggy style may trap more air inside the vagina. Experiment to find what feels comfortable for you and your partner. You can also do pelvic floor therapy if frequent for women after childbirth or women with muscle weakness. Pelvic floor physiotherapy can help. Then lastly, don't stress yourself about it. It's natural. Being embarrassed or trying to hold it can make it even worse. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and follow for more. Bye.